This is a different way to prepare chicken that impresses everyone. You've never tasted it with this garlic sauce. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Start by adding 700 grams of chicken wings to a container. Next, cover with water. Then, add the juice of 1 lemon and mix well. And if you enjoy easy recipes like this, go ahead and click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Next, let it marinate for 15 minutes. In another container, add 6 crushed garlic cloves. Then, 4 tablespoons of ketchup. After that, 4 tablespoons of mustard. Next, add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Also, add 2 tablespoons of honey. Then, mix these ingredients very well. And let me know in the comments which city or country you are watching this video from. I want to see how far it will reach. Set the sauce aside then, in a pan, add a tablespoon of butter. Turn on the heat and stir until the butter is completely melted. Next, add all the chicken wings like this. If you are looking for a quick, easy, and delicious recipe for lunch or dinner, you've just found it. Save it so you don't lose it. Let it fry on one side, then flip to fry the other side as well. Once that's done, season with half a teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix these ingredients very well. If you've never cooked chicken this way, you need to try it. It turns out juicy and with a wonderful flavor. After this step, we will add all the garlic sauce we prepared. Whenever I make this recipe at home, it's always a hit. My entire family loves it. When you make it at your house, I'm sure it will be no different. Mix a little to incorporate the sauce into the recipe. Once done, cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Our chicken with garlic sauce is ready, everyone. And look at how amazing this result is. Simply wonderful. An excellent option to bring to the table on weekends and gather the family. Make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it and you won't regret it. From today on, this will be one of your favorite recipes. If you've made it this far, don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. In your opinion, what rating does this chicken with garlic sauce deserve? Now I'll leave you here, a big hug, and see you in the next video.